Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex. Sorry, I got to do this video again, man, because, I don't know what happened with the last one, but I just want to make sure y'all understand what I'm saying. It's kind of darker at this moment, but first of all, this is my wife. Hi, baby.
Hi.
And this is her birthday gift. I took her out of the country so that we can go chill. And as I was saying in the first video, before it was I accidentally deleted it on accident, but babe, just one more time, just let them know, because a lot of people don't really know what I really went through. So you and me was there on your little porch, and you remember you used to get off work and you used to come home and you used to sit on the porch with me, and I called you in one of my books the Green Tea Angel. You remember that? Because you used to come home from work with your little cup of green tea, and I sat on your little balcony and was you just sat there and politely listened to me as I cried and cried and cried, because literally you had came into my life when I had lost literally everything. I lost literally, y'all, listen, let me turn this around for a second. Hold on, y'all. Turn this camera don't want to turn around. Turn around. Oh, there I go. Y'all, this is Uncle Pete from Super Easy Forex. Some of y'all really don't know. Like I said, man, people want to say, oh man, this dude is this and that. Okay, that's cool. You can say whatever you want. Because the truth of the matter is you wasn't there.
Right.
You really wasn't there. And this woman was there. She was there when I was at the lowest of the lowest of the low. I lost millions of dollars of net worth. I lost everything and was about to be homeless. Literally about to be homeless. And she sat there with me. And then she saw me go through what I went through. And then I said, I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to try this Forex thing.
But you never gave up.
Say again, boo.
Never gave up.
Never gave up. And that was even when I had nothing left. I didn't even have confidence in myself. I lost literally everything.
Right.
And look at the grace of God, man. Look, this is what I'm doing for my wife. Okay?
Yay.
Okay? Look, I know it's darker than earlier. Look, she's so happy. But that's an ocean over there. Okay? But then if you flip over this way, it's an ocean on this side. See, there's oceans on both sides of this property. Then let me flip this around so y'all can take a look at this here. Okay? Here's 3 pools. One right there. One right there. Then we just had dinner over there. You see that one right there? That's the infinity pool. That's 12 feet up. And then that's where we had dinner. You understand what I'm saying? Let me take y'all to the room one more time for those who just tuning in. And again, I'm redoing this video because I accidentally deleted the last one. But as you can see, here's what her room looks like. You understand what I'm saying? This is how we doing it. Thank you, Forex. So again, for those who I'm just telling you, I don't brag a lot. Like I said, man, I don't do all that kind of stuff to be sitting up there, oh, yeah, this and that, and showboating. But sometimes you need to know the motivation of where people came from in this game. Look at this shower, man. This just, wow, Okay? So we have our own little resort. Okay? Our own little resort. We have our own butlers. They have this wine thing over here. And that's what I was telling y'all last time. I don't drink, but, they said, whatever drinks we have up in here, the wines, drinks, beers, whatever you drink, they said if you run out of wine or whatever you want, just let them know and they'll come and refill it.
All you want.
All you want.
All inclusive.
All inclusive. See?
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
So I just want to wish y'all, just some encouragement, man, because again, I know how it is to struggle in Forex, man. I really do. I know how to be honest with you, I know how it is to struggle with trying to build any dream you have. And you're looking at a brother, man, who literally had lost everything in his pursuit of a dream. But what did you say, babe? I never did? What? I never gave up. I never gave up. I never quit.
A lot of money.
Tons of money. Man, listen, some of y'all think you lost some money. Let me tell y'all, for real, let me just holler at y'all real quick, and then I'm gonna go chill with my baby girl. For real, here's the truth. Some of y'all, you tripping because you lost $100. You lost $1,000. You lost whatever. Try losing 6 figures while trying to build your dream, and that's all you had left. You understand what I'm saying? You was a multimillionaire, you lost everything, and then the last little money you had trying to build a dream, trading in the markets and this and that, and you lost that too. But I will tell you one thing that I appreciate about my wife, and if you have a spouse or a significant other, I hope they tune into this part because this is something really important I want y'all to hear. The one thing that she never did, she never put me down for me trying to pursue a dream. She never did. And I really appreciate that. So now when she says she want to go somewhere or do something, which she hardly ever does, that's the other thing I love about her, because we live simple. You know, we don't do this all the time. If y'all, like I said in the last recording, if y'all actually go back and you look at my hundreds of videos over the last couple of years, you will hardly ever see us showboating. Why? Because we don't feel the need to do all that.
Right.
You know what I mean? We live quiet, we live comfortable, but we're about trying to motivate other people so that you'll be able to fulfill your dream. So when it came to Forex, and I'm gonna say this one more again, you know, one more time, because I know thousands of people gonna watch this later. Truth is, and she's right here, babe, did I ever plan on building Super Easy Forex as a company?
No.
I was just building it for the kids. You remember that? Because I was trying to build something for the family so that, hey, you know, these indicators be simple enough so I can leave a legacy for my kids.
Well,
Why?
I think you were really experimenting with it more than anything.
Yeah, just trying to learn.
Trying to create something that worked.
I was trying to create something that made sense to me, you guys, because every time I was, and I want y'all to just really hear, again, you know, do what you want, but I'm just telling you my journey. Man, I paid gurus like some of y'all did. I paid for indicators, I paid for trading system, I paid for all of this stuff. And they was talking about trend lines and you know, and you know, you need the pivot points and da da da, and it was going, and all that is good, nothing wrong with it. I don't have no problem with it. But the way they was explaining things to me, I couldn't understand it.
Right.
And I felt stupid. So here I am paying all these high prices with the last dollars I had to build a dream. And then I still got lost because I'm feeling like the stupid person in the room because I still ain't getting what they talk. What's a freaking Donchion channels? You understand what I'm saying? You know, the Elliott wave theories and all that. So that's some deep calculated stuff. That was beyond me. And so I say, okay, let me design something I can understand. And that's how we got into coding indicators. It had nothing to do with all this stuff people be saying. People be talking about like they know you. You don't even know me, dog. You don't know my journey, bro. And now here I am, years later, fulfilling what I told her. I told her one day I'm gonna be back. Remember, babe, I told you.
Yeah.
I told you one day a brother gonna be back on his feet. Just hang tight with me and believe in me. And in all those years that I was struggling, she never put me down and made fun of me. Never talked bad to me, never called me dumb, nothing. She just kept on encouraging me. And she saw me crying and losing money and this and that and this. But she never gave up on the brother. And I don't want y'all giving up on yourself either. Or you understand what I'm saying? Don't give up on yourself.
Amen.
Don't give up on yourself. I can't tell you how many conversations I had with God about God. Man, my heart was so broken. And I prayed so many nights with a broken heart. And I took 5 years of my life, y'all. I'm serious. And she's literally right here. Right there. 5 years of my life is gone because I was trying to study and practice and do this and that because I made her a promise that I was going to get back on my feet.
And you kept your promise, Daddy.
And now here we are.
You kept his promise.
Y'all can hear the oceans because the oceans is on both sides of the property. So anyway, man, I'm going to close this video out. I'm redoing it because the last one I accidentally hit the delete button by accident. My bad. But again, I'm just telling y'all that if you have a dream, stick with it. You know what I mean? And by the way, let me tell y'all something else about Forex. I have learned through my painful journey that a lot of y'all are trying to be quote unquote full-time traders. That was the mistake. I didn't know. Nobody was teaching me right, man. The bottom line is I'm in some trades right now. I ain't even tripping. I put my stop loss in place. You know what I mean? If they hit, they hit. If they don't, they don't. You ain't tripping. See why? Because when you learn to shift your thinking and you start really trading and being properly taught, you realize, man, you can get into a few trades and go about your life and let them things go and do what they gonna do. And when you put your stop loss and you take profit in place, that's the only job you have. Sitting there staring at your charts all day ain't gonna make it go no faster, better, or anything else. The results are gonna be the results. You see what I'm saying? But nobody was teaching me this. So I was locked in them charts 5 years straight. It was like prison. It was literally a mental prison. I'm not exaggerating. It was a mental prison. It drained the heck out of my life. I had another word, but God held my tongue. But I'm grateful that I didn't quit. Because look, now this is what she's doing to celebrate her birthday.
Hey.
Hey, hi, beautiful.
Hey, it's your birthday?
It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. So anyway, let me cut this video because I know somebody gonna be like, "Oh, he up there trying to brag." Yeah, actually, for a moment, it's okay to celebrate. After you went through such a tough journey, man, it's okay to celebrate. So I'm just giving you guys some encouragement to let you know, man, you ain't got to quit on yourself. You know what I mean? And if you're in the if you're in the Forex group, follow what I'm telling you. Go back through the tutorials and make sure you're following what I'm telling you, because some of this stuff is so simple. It is so simple. It's not that complicated. And if you haven't joined us, come on and join the Super Easy Forex family. As I said in the last video, and I'm gonna say again, I hardly ever miss a class. That's part of my thrill, and my baby girl, she know that. I don't miss my classes.
Oh, no, he doesn't.
That's actually my thrill, is teaching the classes. So come on in, and I'm out this week on Tuesday and Wednesdays is when I'm teaching classes. But if you do join, you can listen to the replays from last week, which I think is the best classes I ever taught, was last week's classes. So listen to them if you join. But if not, that's cool. I will be back next Tuesday, and I'll be right there with you, and you'll be able to talk directly with me, and I'll be able to teach you and train you to the best of my ability. Okay? There may be better traders out there. I don't care. I'm not trying to compare myself to others. I'm just grateful for what God allowed me to do, and I'm trying to share it with you guys so that your journey don't have to be as tough and hard as mine was. Okay, so anyway, but I gotta say, the classes only come. We do have the scanner system, we have the signal service, and then we have simplicity. The only one that you can get the classes with is with the simplicity system. Okay, so if you want the classes, get the simplicity system. All right, anyway, I love y'all. Have a great evening. I'm finna go celebrate and chill with my wife and go to dinner, and possibly climb into one of these 3 or 4 pools they got here. But anyway, man, I'm just trying to provide y'all with some encouragement. Okay, have a good one, y'all. Love y'all. And if you're in Super Easy Forex, I'll see y'all next week. What you say, baby?
Blessings to everyone.
She said blessings to everybody. Love y'all. Bye.